Hello dear students, let us start the questions based on Bernoulli's trials. As in the previous lecture, I explained about what is Bernoulli's trials and I explained about the failure and success and the probability of getting a success, correct? Right now we are discussing the problems based on that. A pair of dice is thrown 6 times. A pair of dice is thrown 6 times. Getting a doublet is considered as a success. Getting a doublet is considered as a success. Find the probability that A is no success, B is exactly one success, C is at least one success, D is at most one success. The experiment is taken place 6 times, so n is equal to 6 here. Okay, the experiment is taken place how many times is there? 6 times, so n is equal to 6 here. Hope you understand this, correct? If the experiment is taken place 6 times, now the first question is no success comes. Actually, a pair of die is thrown 6 times. Getting a doublet is my success. So if you are throwing a die, what is the probability I'll get? I'll get sample space. What are the sample space I get? Sample space I get 1, 1, 2, 2 like. Success is doublet. Getting a 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. It's getting like this is my success. Actually, when you throw the die, you get 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 like that. 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 1. So doublet already in my previous lectures I explained. So you get that is total is 36. Success is to get the doublet. So success is, this is my success. And totally sample space is, this is not sample space, this is success. Sample space is 36. So probability of getting a success is 6 by 36, that is equal to 1 by 6. So that is what we called as success, we called as P, and failure we called as Q. So Q is equal to what? 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. So success is 1 by 6, failure is 5 by 6. Now n is equal to 6 happen. Now what is this said as? No success is happen, that is x is equal to 0 we have to take. So probability of x is equal to 0 is equal to, already I have given you formula. I hope you remember the formula. NCR is equal to, what is the probability of success? Probability of success is equal to NCR P to the power of n minus r q to the power of r. P to the power of n minus r q to the power of r. This is the formula I gave you, right? So here we are going to use that one. N to the p to the power of r q to the power of n minus r. Sorry, p to the power of r q to the power of n minus r. This is the formula. According to this formula, we are going to solve it. So probability of getting no success. No success means, so r, this r is equal to 0. R is equal to 0. So what is the n here? N is equal to 6. 6 is 0. 6 is 0. P value is how much? That is 1 by 6 to the power of r value 0. And q value is what here? 5 by 6. 5 by 6 to the power of how much? N minus r. That is how much? 6 minus 0. That is 6. So the probability of getting no success is equal to 61 value is 1 and 1 power 6 whole power 0. Anything power 0 is 1 and 5 by 6 power 6. That is 5 power 6 by 6 power 6. So this is your answer. This simply you can write as probability of getting a success in this case is 5 by 6 to the power of 6. If you want to simplify, you can simplify, but larger numbers no need to simplify. This will be your answer for the first one. The first one answer we have finished it. Let us discuss the second case. Okay, dear students. So you have understood what is the failure, what is the success. Now the second case is, they said as second case is exactly one success. Exactly one success means that is nothing but probability of r is equal to 1. It means that R value is 1, N value you just substitute in this formula. That's simple, 6C1, and P value is 1 by 6 to the power of 1, 5 by 6 to the power of 6 minus 1 is 5. So the answer is 6C1 value is 6 into 1 by 6 into 5 by 6 to the power of 5. So the answer is 5 by 6 to the power of 5 is the answer for the second question. Understood, dear students? Very good. Now let us go for the third question in this. What is the third question they said? They said that at least one success, at least one success, at least one success. At least one success means what? Minimum to minimum one success should be come. Okay, so that is one success is nothing but as we can say that probability of R is equal to at least one success. Simplest way to solve this one is at least one success. Whenever they ask you at least one success, minimum to minimum one success should be there. So that is we can write as 1 minus probability of no success. Just you can use this this rule, so you are going to get good results. So at least one success means 1 minus no success, that is give you at least one success. That is 1 minus no success. Already we have calculated no success value, that is 6C0, that is 1 by 6 to the power of 0, 5 by 6 to the power of 6. We have calculated already this. Okay, next going on to the next point. At least one success means you have to do another way. If you want to do another way, what here? R is equal to 1, 2, 3, like that you have to check. At least one success means R is equal to 1 till where here 6 is there. So till 6 you have to reach, means R is equal to 1 you have to calculate, means R is equal to 1 plus what you have to do, R is equal to probability of R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all you have to add. That is takes a lot of time. Instead of that, this is the easiest method. Okay, probability of 1 minus you have to find for NC1, NC2, NC3, NC4, NC5, NC6, you have to add all. Instead of this will be the easiest way to solve that question. So next question is D question. What is the D question here? At most one success. At most one success. What is the meaning of at most one success? It is already, that is at most one success. At most one success means what? He should get one success. At most one success means 0 success or 1 success, correct? Probability, fourth one is at most one success. R is equal to at most one success. That is nothing but probability of 0 success. See, that is the no success. Probability of no success and probability of no success and probability of 1 success. Exactly one success. Exactly one success. It means that this answer will be what? This answer will be the probability of A plus probability of B. Already I have calculated what is the probability of A. Already I have calculated the probability of B. You can do that when you are going to get at most one success. So these are the very important questions. Let us solve another questions based on. Do you understand? Probability of if you don't understand, I will complete this. Probability of at most one success means what? Probability of no success and probability of 1 success. It means that simply that you can write as probability of 1 success, that is x is equal to 0 plus probability of x means r is equal to 0 plus probability of r is equal to 1. That is the formula is n that is 6. 6C0, 1 by 6 to the power of 0, 5 by 6 to the power of 6 plus 6C1, 1 by 6 to the power of 1, 5 by 6 to the power of 5. Just 6C1 value is 1 and this value is 1, 5 by 6 to the power of 5, 6 plus 6 even value 6, 1 by 6 into 5 power 5 upon 6 power 5. So this is what I told you now. So I am going to get a 5 power 6 upon 6 power 6 plus 5 power 5 upon 6 power 5. You are going to get this answer. So likewise we have to do. Let us move on to the next question. So dear students, see the next question here. A drinker takes, you see here a drinker is there, you know, a drinking person, he will walk like this, right? A drinker takes a step forward or a backward. See here drinking is done, so he will do what here, he go front and he comes back like that, he go back and he goes the front step and he goes back like that. A drinker takes a step forward or a backward. The probability that a step forward is 0.4. So he take the step forward is 0.4. Okay. And the probability that end of 11 steps, find the probability that end of the 11th step he is one step away from the starting point. What I want to say here, there is one person here, one person is standing here. Okay, this is one person. Okay, here is the one person. He is a drinker and is moving forward, and he is moving forward, is going backward, is forward, is doing like this. He is saying that find the probability that end of the 11th step. After end of the 11th step, he is a step away from the starting point. This is his starting point. So he can, after end of the 11 steps, after doing 11 steps, you understood, 11 steps he did the 11 steps. After end of the 11th step, he is away 1 unit, one step away, means he is 1 step away from his place. Either he will be away from the front side, either he will be away from the back side. Okay, from the back side it may away, or from the left 1 step only, 1 step away. Is the question is saying 1 step away from the front, and or maybe this is possible front or back, is not given that. Find the probability that end of the 11th step he is 1 step away from the starting point. You have to find the probability of this. This is very important question. So let us discuss this question, dear students. So hope you understand this question. Now what we will say here is, see that you need to understand here the 11 steps after stepping, he may get 6 steps forward and 5 steps backward, then he was 1 step away from it. So 6 steps he moves forward, and then he makes 5 steps back, then he will be one distance is away from the starting point. And then otherwise he moves front 5 steps forward and he comes back 6, then he moves 5 steps forward and he comes back 6 steps backward, then 1 step away, backside is away from that. So you have to find the backward, this will be front and this will be back away. Okay, then what is asking that find the probability of this. So probability of forward step, that is 0.4 is given, and probability of a backward step, that will be how much, 1 minus 0.4, that is 0.6. If this is the P and this is the Q, P is the success, Q is the failure in this case. Okay, are you getting it here? Everything, is this proper? Is it understood, everyone? So one is the forward step, one is the backward step. So he's what step away from the point. What is the forward step, that is 4 by 10 they given. Backward step, that is they given, that is 0.6. 4 by 10, this is 0.4 is nothing but probability of forward, that is P. You just take it P, this is considered as P here, that's better. P is equal to 0.4, that is 4 by 10, and Q is equal to 0.6, that is 6 by 10. Okay, that is 4 by 10 and 6 by 10. So probability of E is equal to what I will get as 11C6, because 6 steps forward. 11c6. So 11c6 if I am taking, then I will get as 4 by 10 to the power of 6 into 5 by 10 to the power of 5. Okay, n minus 1, right? R minus 1, right? R minus 1. So R minus 1 plus 11c5. This case I am taking. So 11c R is I am taking here the probability of E. This is nothing but probability of this is x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 plus x is equal to 5. So in these two cases he will get the success. Either x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 5. X is equal to 6 or x is equal to 5 means in this case backward and this. So R we can take here. R is equal to 6, R is equal to 5. You can take like that. Otherwise directly write this, and the probability of getting a probability E is equal to, you can write 11c6 4 by 10 to the power of 6, this one, and 11c5 I get as 4 by 10 to the power of how much it is 5, and 5 by 10 to the power of 11 minus 5 6. This is, you can simplify, you are going to get the answer. So this is the answer, that is, what is he saying? The probability that end of the 11th step is one step away from the starting point. Find the probability. So you can write this is the probability of that 11th step is one step away from the starting point is this. This is the formula, and then just simplify this you are going to get the answer. So here this is what you have. Are you getting it here? Are you getting it here? 11 by 11c6 here he is going to get either this way, either that way. So you are going to that L is that is nothing but simply you can take as one step forward, one step backward. So either this way or that way you can find the answer. Hope you understand it. Hope you all understand, right? So what simply I will just repeat here. The success is already given. P is the, suppose you are taking as a forward step. Forward step is the success. Okay, you can just take the one is the forward step is the success and backward step is the failure. You just think is that probability, this is given 0.4 and the success is given 0.4, failure is given 0.6. okay, 1 minus 1 by 6 forward and backward. That is what I was explaining. So here this case is probability of x is equal to 6 plus x is equal to 5. I get as x is equal to 6 or probability of x is equal to 5. That is what the probability I need to find. So probability of 6 I applied this formula, probability of 5 I applied this formula. Do you understand what I said? Either this or this, both meanings is same, right? So that is what I am going to get here. The answer will be how much? 11c6. How much here? 11c6, this much. Okay, this you can simplify this much. 11c6. This is, you can simplify if you want. That is 4 power 6. That is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 divided by 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 plus into you can write as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 divided by here is 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. See here, no need to do this calculation. This calculation takes so much time. So that's what I want to say here. You just 6 fours, right? 6 fours should be there. 6 fours and 6 tens. Okay, 6 tens should be there. So calculation will take time. So just you can write likewise is enough. So just for only your sake, just I am writing this one. You know, all people, you know, 5 ones are 5 twos are. This cancellation everyone knows. But they in exam they don't ask you like this. They will ask you in this general formula only. In this general formula only answer will be there. If it is a board's question, then you have to simplify the answer. Okay. So you can simplify 2 ones are 2 5s are. Okay, 2 twos are here, 2 5s and 2 twos. Yeah, you can 2 5s and 2 twos here, 2 5s and 2 twos here, and 2 2 here, 2 2 here, 2 2 here, 2 2. It's cancel out. So this is becomes simple. 11c6 value, you know that 11c6 we can write 11 back 6. 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Divided by 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. and this left is how much here? Numerator nothing is left, and denominator it is left with 1 2 and 5 5 5 5 5 5. So just you can simplify this here. Then 5, you just see this here, what are the cancel? 6 6 cancel out, and 5 5 2 gets cancel out, 2 2 gets cancel out, and see what is the possibility more cancellation. You just cancel that. 4 1s are 4 2s gets cancel out, 3 1s are 3 3s gets cancel out, 2 and 2 gets cancel out, and what is remain here is on the numerator it is remain 3 into 7, 3 into 7 divided by, here is remain is 5 into 5, this is 625. So 21 by 625. Likewise, you can do for this also calculation, you will get the answer. So that calculation part you can do it. Only my turn is to explain the concept. So if you understand, that is very well. This calculation part you can do it. I think this is enough for you. Let us go to the next question. So let us see here, dear students, this is a JEE 2007 question. A pair of fair dice is thrown independently 3 times. So independently, how many fair of die thrown how many times? Experiment done how many times? 3 times. So n is equal to 3. So experiment has done 3 times. So n is equal to 3. The probability of getting exactly 9 twice. Exactly 9 twice. Twice means r is equal to 2. 9 should get twice. 9 should get means success should get twice. 9 exactly, the probability of getting exactly 9 twice means success getting twice. So r is equal to 2 here, n is equal to 3 here. Okay, so now probability is here, probability is equal to 9. What cases you get 9? 3 comma 6 outputs. What are the outputs will give you if you are throwing a dice? So what is 3 comma 6? 4 comma 5. Okay, another one is 5 comma 4. 5 comma 4 will give you, okay, 2 comma yeah, and then you get 6 comma 3. 6 comma 3, yes, you are going to get 6 comma 3. Okay, 6 comma 3 you will get, and there will be 2 comma 6. In that you will not get a 9. Okay, so here is the total possibilities to get is 4 out of 36. So my success is, P is the success. If you think P is equal to 4 by 6, so 4 1s are 4 9s gets cancelled. So success P is equal to 1 by 9. Failure Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 9. That is 9 minus 1, 8 by 9. Failure is 8 by 9. Success is 1 by 9. So NCR is equal to formula what we have. NCR is equal to P to the power of R into Q to the power of N minus R. P to the power of R into Q to the power of N minus R. So N is here 3, C2, P is here 1 by 9 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 into 8 by 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 3C2 value is 3. 3C2 value is how much? 3. 3 into 1 by 9 square is 81 into 8 power is 8 upon 9. So this is what you have here. So now you can cancel it here. 3 1s are 3 3s gets cancelled. The answer is 8 by 81 3s, that is 243. So this is the answer. 8 by 243 is the right answer for this question. Hope you understand. Let us go to the next question. So let us see, dear students, one more question which is asked in JEE 2003 JEE mains. The question is, a multiple choice examination has 4 questions. A multiple choice examination has 5 questions. So multiple choice examination is there. In that how many questions are there? Question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5. So n is equal to 5 questions are there. Okay. In that each question has 3 alternate answers. So each question has 3 alternate answers. So probability of success is 1 by 3. Okay. So then probability of failure will be what here? Each alternate as 3 what is they said as each question has 3 alternate answers. So alternate answers means in the sense this question has 3 options, like here A, B, C, 3 options are there. So in that one will be correct, that is 1 by 3. So probability of getting success is 1 by 3. Why I wrote each question has 3 alternatives, means A, B, C, not D. A, B, C you have. Therefore probability of success will be 1 by 3. Then probability of failure will be 2 by 3. Okay, 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Okay, now what is they said as the probability that alternate answers of which exactly one is correct. In that exactly one is correct. Okay, alternate are there, in that exactly one is correct I wrote. The probability that a student will get 4 or more correct answers. The probability that the students get 4 or more correct answers out of 5, R is equal to 4 or R is equal to 5. Means 4 correct or 5 correct. R is equal to 4, R is equal to 5. That is what they are asking. Means probability of R is equal to 4 plus probability of R is equal to 5 is asking. So probability of 4 and 5 is asking. So that is we have to find. So n is how much? NC. What is the formula? NCR P to the power of R into Q to the power of n minus R. So here we will substitute here. N means how much? Here 5C 4 1 by 3 to the power of 1 by 3 to the power of R is equal to how much here? 4, and here 2 by 3 to the power of R minus 1, that is 1, plus here 5C5 I will get 5C5 1 by 3 R to the power R is here 5, and here 2 by 3 5 minus 5. So you just simplify this, you are going to get the answer for this question. So that is very simple. You can find is 5C4 value is 1, and 1 by 3 to the power of 4 into 2 by 3 to the power of 1. Okay, plus 5C5 value is 1 by 3 to the power of 5 into 5 minus 5 is 0, that value is 1. So this is what you get the answer. You can simplify this, you are going to get as 11 by 3 power 5. So the options are given. According to the options we have to simplify. That is what I said. More powers are there, no need to simplify that much. So it is here 5 to the 10 by 3 power 5 plus 5 to the 10 by 3 power 5, 1 by 3 power 5. So the answer is 3 power 5, 11 by 3 power 5 is the answer. Hope you understand. This is the way to do the problems. Tomorrow I will explain more questions and problems based on shares. So share also, and this also I will explain more questions tomorrow. Then we will move on to the tomorrow. I think 2 more questions are left on this topic. 2-3 questions are left. After that we are going to start variance. Variance means standard deviation, variance, like statistics problems, mean, variance, standard deviation. These type of problems will start that are very important for boards. Okay, so let us see them in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.